Hey guys, Ed here. Hey, welcome back guys to Models and Beer. We're going to make this video fairly short. It's simply going to be a introduction to my next big build. I started this channel a little over 2 years ago, and in those two years we have done three major builds and a whole bunch of small stuff in between, just to kind of break up the monotony. We started off with the USS Arizona Trumpeter 1/200 scale, and that's her sitting right there. And I need to break that thing back out because when we left on the last video of that, we still had railing to do and some rigging, and I have accomplished a little bit more on it, and I need to bring that back out so we can do like a finished video. Okay, it's still kind of hanging in the background in my library as unfinished because I was waiting on me to do the rigging, and I still got a little bit more rigging to do, but I did get the railings on there, so we'll break that out one day. And then we did the the King George we did. And then, we went and we just finished the Sovereignty. Right here she is. And I still have rigging to do on the Sovereignty. The railings are all done. The construction, the complete kit is built. The painting's all done. I just need to do some rigging. And for some reason, guys, I enjoy the building of the ships. I really do. Putting together the model. I enjoy the challenge and the photo etch and all that, and I get to the point where it's completed and I shy away from the rigging. For some reason I just have a thing with the rigging, and it's part of the build, it's part of the process, and I don't know why I just dread doing the rigging. You know what I mean? It's like my least favorite part of building a ship, a battleship. So I need to get back on track and get these finished up because they're hanging in my library right now unfinished, and we need to do some the finishing stuff on it so we can do the reveals and get those completed. But anyways, guys, this video is about my new build. Okay, my birthday is on the 15th of this month, November 15th, and as of the filming of this video here, it's 2 days away from my birthday. My wife, last week or so, she said that, she knows I like models, okay? So she's like, get yourself a model, I'll pay for it, And so I did some research. I was going through, I get a lot of my models from HobbyLink, okay, online. And I have an account with them, and every time I get a model from there, I get points and stuff that I can use towards other things. So I tend to, get a lot of my stuff from HobbyLink. So I wanted to do something military. I didn't want to do another ship. Of course, I'm going to be doing many ships on this channel because that's what my interest is in modeling, is ships, okay? However, I thought for my next big project, just to kind of change it up and again to break up the monotony, I would try something different. So I was going and looking in military vehicles, trucks and tanks and things like that. And I ain't lying to you, I must have spent probably close to 2 hours, if not more, researching these models and then going to YouTube and, seeing what's involved, what's in the kits and stuff like that, and then going back and, back and forth like that. And I did find this kit, and I watched some YouTube videos, and there's one or two out there where there's these guys who have built this particular kit that I'm getting ready to show you. They didn't do a step-by-step, they didn't do an unboxing, they're just showing the completed kit. And the detail on this thing is like totally amazing, okay? And you can go look at it once I tell you what, or show you what it is. You can go, if you're interested in it, you can go to YouTube and you can see what I'm talking about as far as the detail goes. It really caught my eye and my interest. I'm excited to build this thing. So what I'm going to do, this video here is strictly going to be the introduction, okay, of what I'm going to be building here as my next big project. I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and I know a lot of you guys are not interested in unboxings. However, I could not find an unboxing video online, and I like to see what I'm buying, and unfortunately there wasn't one of those. So I'm going to make one, so if anybody in the future has an interest in building this, hopefully they'll find my unboxing video and they can see, you know, exactly what they're going to be getting. This kit does have its own photo etch and over 680 something pieces. So yeah, it's going to be a big project. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. Let me get my camera set here. So what we got here is, hang on a second. Sorry. Trying to get things out of the way here. This is a trumpeter kit, and I know it's got some glare, okay guys, and I leave the plastic on simply because I want to do the unboxing. I want to see it at the same time that you guys do as I'm unboxing it, if that makes any sense. So I will take the plastic off when I do my unboxing. However, the box has plenty to look at, okay? So we can get through the glare. It is a trumpeter kit, as you can see here, and this is what it is. It's a big box, but check this thing out. Trumpeter 1/35 scale, M984A2 MTT Wrecker. And I know it's like a lot of glare. Look at that. Holy crap. Oh, here we go. Maybe that angle's better. There we go. Check this thing out. Isn't that cool? And you can kind of get an idea here of the detail. This thing is like so cool. And then it gives you two options, or you can paint it however you want to, but you got a Desert Storm paint, you know, scheme on top, and then you got a camo down at the bottom there. And super cool, guys. I am like super stoked and excited to get into this thing. Like I said, the detail on this thing is phenomenal. I hope you'll follow along with the build. This is going to be a good one, and I'm not sure how long it's going to take, but it's got, like I said, 680 something pieces and includes its own photo etch. And yeah, so that's really all I wanted to do. I'm going to be doing an unboxing, hopefully maybe tomorrow. You know, maybe I'll get that up tomorrow. It shouldn't take long to get that filmed, and then we're going to get to work on it. We're going to, you know, go through step by step, and I'll share it with you, and you guys can follow along with the build. And once again, I want to thank everybody who has subscribed to my channel. Every month it seems to be growing steadily, and I know I'm not the best as far as, you know, a YouTube channel for modeling and stuff like that. Sometimes I'm just all over the place, but you know, at the end we get accomplished what we meant to get accomplished, if that makes any sense to you. So I appreciate your guys' patience when you're watching my videos. Like I said, I know I'm not the best. Sometimes I don't say the right things in the right way, but at the end, like I said, it all works out, and we get our task accomplished. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing, and guys, have a great week. Watch for the unboxing of this kit, and then we're going to get right into it and build it. So everybody have a great week, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.